Google Sheets calendar templates are hot in demand. You can always create a calendar in Google Sheets from scratch. But that's time consuming and requires too much effort from your side. Here's where ready-to-use templates come in. So in today's video, I will be giving you the 7 best Google Sheets calendar templates. First, content calendar. Are you a content creator and making regular content with the team? This Google Sheets content calendar template might be the perfect fit for you. It carries both the project management and calendar to use in a single place. On the homepage, you can see the current project status, title, set priority, add a short description, and even assign teammates the tasks. Move to the calendar tab and you can add all the upcoming events and tasks and share it with others. Second, full-size calendar. Check this one if you want a basic-looking monthly calendar to use in Google Sheets. The template is designed for the current 2021 year and the tabs below have a calendar view for each month. The template packs a good-looking teal theme that can be customized to your liking and preference. There is nothing special or fancy about this Google Sheets calendar template. Third, 12-month calendar. If the previous calendar is too simple for you, try this one that integrates both style and substance. The 12-month calendar template for 2021 has a minimal design with few theming touches here and there. We especially like the yellow-colored divider in the monthly view. Click on the empty boxes below the date and you are all set to add events and tasks. Fourth, phases of the moon calendar. As the name suggests, the moon phase calendar showcases the phases of the moon in a given month and date. It can be useful for someone to keep track of the moon phase throughout the year. Instead of relying on third-party apps to check the moon phase for the day, you can download this Google Sheets calendar template and track everything from a single page. Switch to the moon phases data and check the previous year's records till 2017. Fifth, mini calendar. If you strictly want a view-only calendar, look no further and try the mini calendar template for Google Sheets. The calendar supports both the 2021 and 2022, so it's future-proof and you can use it to print out the calendar and keep the physical copy on your desk. The default template has a dark blue and white theme, but you can always change it to something better that goes easy with the eyes and doesn't look as flashy as this one. Sixth, evergreen calendar with dark theme. So far, we have talked about Google Sheets templates that come with a white theme by default. How about a dark theme-inspired calendar template for those browsing the Google Sheets software at night? Evergreen calendar packs a dark theme with a red accent and it looks beautiful on a big screen when the sun goes down. This is our go-to template for calendar needs at the company. Seventh, social media editorial theme template. Social media influences. This one's for you. If you are frequently posting content online, you need something that's more capable than a simple calendar. This template for Google Sheets handles both the basic content creation management and calendar requirements in a single place. One can add due dates, channels, status, project details, and more. You can always use dedicated calendar apps such as Google and Outlook. But the overall sharing, editing, and collaboration aren't as seamless as Google's productivity suite. Go through the calendar templates for Google Sheets and pick one that you prefer and start adding entries and events.